You can be a genius in your space, but if you can't communicate your ideas clearly and get those ideas to land, okay, your genius sometimes can be missed. Okay, just a quick exercise.
I feel like the highlight of this workshop for me was the actual engagement. It wasn't just sitting down, filling and listening or filling in a workbook. We actually had to get up and practice what we'd learned. And to me, that's an amazing outcome for a workshop like this. I've got real skills that I can take and use at work tomorrow.
Relate to that? And that's how confidence works. It's like a journey, you don't actually arrive. And then when you do arrive,
what I have found and what I have learned from this brief look at Dale Carnegie event is that, one, it infuses you with so much of confidence. It brings out the best in you. The other thing it gives you is an understanding of who you are, where you stand currently, and how you can get to that next stage or the goal that you are aspiring for. So I would say overall, as a professional and as a person, it helps you develop yourself in a big way. That, I think, is the biggest benefit of attending a Dale Carnegie event.
okay, what was one thing that you noticed about this person? Thank you very much. Who was the listener?
If you're looking to attend Dale Carnegie workshop, and if you haven't attended his courses or workshops before, just be prepared to go on an amazing ride, because his workshops are going to be full of energy and you're going to learn so much that you thought you know, but you don't know.
When I say go, you're going to practice, okay? Listen immediately. To the person next to you, go.